In this post, we will provide a complete and tested Honor X9c UFS ISP Pinout, which will be useful to advanced mobile repair technicians. The ISP Pinout is extremely important when performing direct UFS chip programming, bypassing FRP, removing MDM or user lock status, recovering lost data, and repairing dead boot conditions. As mobile technicians or micro-soldering specialists, we encounter devices that are bricked, locked, or not being detected on a PC. In this situation, the ISP connection comes into play, which is connected directly to the UFS chip. In this post, we will present the tested and verified Honor X9c ISP Pinout, including what it is and how to connect and perform your repair and recovery tasks with it easily. What is the Honor X9c UFS ISP Pinout? In simple terms, ISP allows you to access the UFS chip without having to remove it. You simply need to identify the appropriate pinout of the board and utilize a supported eMMC UFS tool, such as UFI, EasyJTAG, or Flash64, to attach it directly. ISP Pinout is useful when phone is dead, black screen, no boot, no charging. FRP is locked, and you can't use ADB, fast boot, or OTG bypass. You need to dump firmware from a working unit to repair a dead one. You're working on a boot repair or partition restore. Phone is detected as unknown in PC, EDL not working. Honor X9c UFS ISP Pinout image. Here's where things get technical. The Honor X9c shares a hardware layout with several models, but the actual pin locations can vary slightly. You'll find the ISP points near the UFS chip under the metal shield. Honor X9c ISP pin labels you need. SOP, SON, RXOP, ROXON, GND ground. Connection tips for technicians. Clean all the pins before attempting to attach the ISP wires, ensuring consistent good electrical contact. Use a microscope or magnifying glass to ensure an accurate soldering point and prevent damage to other tracks or components in the vicinity of the soldering area. Verify the pin configuration from your diagram before proceeding with any of your software actions to eliminate potential communication problems with the hardware. When repairing dead boot problems, especially for devices like the Honor X9c, the Flash64 and UFI box dongle are great for mobile repair. They are important for scenarios where the phone has been incorrectly flashed and does not display the startup logo and is no longer responding to power. Required tools for Honor X9c ISP Pinout. Make sure your bench is set up with the right tools before jumping in. UFI box, EasyJTAG, or Medusa Pro. Nolla, uxiemum nolla, colme juntervoju. Fine tip soldering iron. Isopropyl cleaner, IPA 99%. Soldering fluid. Multimeter for checking continuity. How to connect ISP to the UFS toolbox. Remove the battery from the phone, extremely important to prevent voltage conflicts. Clean the PC board area using isopropyl alcohol. Connect jumper wires to TXON, TXOP, GND, and RXON, RXOP with care using solder. Connect the wires to your UFS eMMC tool, following the tool's pinout. Double-check each wire using a multimeter to ensure there are no shorts. Connect to UFI or Flash64 in the UFI or EasyJTAG software. Select Identify UFS eMMC. Now use the operation you want. User partition, special task, reset FRP.